Hello students of 10th class. Today we are going to start a chapter arithmetic progressions. So what is arithmetic progressions? A group of numbers which are arranged in a definite order. Means like there is a 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. What is this? This is a sequence. What is this? This is a sequence. In a sequence, we see that there is a definite order. It means that 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. It means having a distance of 2. Now, this is a sequence. The number used in the sequence is called the elements. So, what is this? These are called the elements. What is these? Elements, or you can say it is a terms. You can say it is a terms. And now series. Now what is a series? When the number in a sequence are connected with the sign, connected with the positive sign or a negative sign. For example, this is a sequence, and when we write it as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to so on, then this is what? This is a series. This is what? This is a series. You can we can also use a negative sign, 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 8 up to so on. When we are connected the sequence with the sign, then it is called the series. It is called the series. Now, when the number of series are written in a definite order to follow some rules, it's called the progressions. Now when series follow some rules, it's called the progressions. It's called the, for example, 2, 3, 6, 9 up to so on. See, there is a difference of 3. Then again there is a difference of 3, so it follow some particular rule. So it is called the progressions. Now what is arithmetic progressions? AP is a sequence of a number which each term is obtained by adding quantity to its preceding terms. Means suppose that we have a, again I will take example, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. Now 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Means there is a addition sign, the fixed number, there is a distance. You have to say 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. Means 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 8 minus 2 is 2. So what is a 2? 2 is a common difference. 2 is what? 2 is a common difference. And here, what is a 2? 2 is a first term. What is a 2? 2 is a first term. A very first term is denoted by A. Right? First term is denoted by A. So, first term is denoted by A. Common difference is denoted by D. Number of terms is equals to N, right? And let this is a AP series, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to so on. This is what? This is a sequence. When there is a sign, then it is called the series. So here first term is A, common difference is A is a first term, D is what? D is a common difference. D is what? D is a common difference. So we can write general term, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula of general term. So I write it there. General term is an, which is a plus. See, there is nth term. We take n minus 1 into D. This is a general term. And next one is sum of first n term. It is denoted by Sn. You can denote a general term an or tn. You can denote it as tn also. Now sum of first n term is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or you can write it n by 2 a plus L. A is the first term, L is the last term. A is the first term, L is the last term. So these are the formulas which are used to solve the exercise. So what is, I repeat once again, first term is A, common difference is D, number of term is n, general terms is an, a plus n minus 1 into D, or you can denote it as tn also. Sum of first term is, there is a two formula, when there is a last term is given, then we have to apply n by 2 a plus L, right? Now I will tell you some examples, some exercise questions. See, which of the following sequence are in AP? So we have to check that following series are in AP or not. See, its first is 2, 6, 2, 6, 10, 14. How to find that the sequence is in AP or not? So first of all, we have to find distance D1, that is 6 minus 2, which is equals to 4. After that, D2 is 10 minus 6, that is again 4. Now 10 minus D3 is 14 minus 10, which is again 4. So distance is same. If the common distance is same, then it is series of AP. Since you can write, since D1 is equals to D2 is equals to D3 up to so on, so sequence is in AP. So sequence is in AP. Now see question number 2. See question number 2, the nth term of sequence, the nth term of sequence 2n minus 3, find its 15th term. Find its 15th term. See students, the nth term of the sequence means nth term is given, means Tn is equals to 2n minus 3, means this is a general term, right? Now what is the formula of general term? That is a plus n minus 1 D. A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Now we have to find it 15th term, means leave it, means you need n is 15th, you have to find a 15th term, means t 15th is 2 into 15 minus 3, which is 30 minus 3, which is 27. So T15 is equal to 27. Now see next question. Find the 24th terms of sequence. Find the 24th term of sequence 12, 10, 8, 6. Right? Now, first of all, we have to find a distance. Distance is what? D1 is 10 minus 12 is minus 2. D2 is 8 minus 10 is minus 2. D3 is 6 minus 8 is equals to minus 2. So distance is equals to minus 2. Hence, given sequence is in AP. Now, what is the general term? Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Find the 24th term. Means n is what? N is a 24th. N is what? T24. 24th term. Okay? So, n is what? N is 24. A plus 24 minus 1 into D. 24 is equals to A plus 23 D. Right? Now, this is what? D is what? A plus 23 into minus 2. And what is A? A is a 12. A is what? A is a 12. Now, 12 plus with minus sign 46. Now 12 minus 46 is 4 and 34 with negative sign. So 24th term is equals to minus 34. So 24th term is equals to minus 34. Now students, find the 50th term. Find 50th term of sequence. Sequence is 1 by n plus 1 over n, 2n plus 1 over n, right, up to so on. So first of all, what is the first step? We have to find a common difference. After that, we put in a general term. Now common difference D, that is n plus 1 over n. We subtract this from this, minus 1 over n, which is n plus 1 minus 1. This and this cancel. We get n over n, which is equals to 1. So common difference is 1. Now again, this is a D1. Now you have to find D2. 2n plus 1 over n minus n plus 1 over n, which is 2n plus 1 minus n minus 1 over n. This and this cancel, and we get n over n, which is equals to 1, Now, so distance is equals to 1, and first term is A is 1 by n. Now we need to find the 50th term. A plus 49 into D, 1 over n plus 49 into 1. So T50 is equals to 1 plus 1 over n plus 49. This is your answer. Now see next question. See question number 15. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. See, third term is given 5 and seventh term is equal to 9. Right? Now, third term means T3, which is equals to 5 and T7 is equal to 9. Now T3, what is the formula of general term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Now n is what? 3. So A plus 3 minus 1 into D is 5. A plus 2D is equals to 5. Now in that side, A plus 7 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 6D is equal to 9. Now this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Using these both equations, we can find the value of A and D. Now A plus 2D is equals to 5 and A plus 6D is equals to 9. Now we have to change a sign. This concept you have already done in lower classes. Now you have to change the sign and this should be cancelled. 6 minus 2 is minus 4D is equals to minus 4 and D is minus 4 over minus. So D is equals to 1. Now put in equation number 1. 1 implies A plus 2D is equals to 5. Now A plus 2 into 1, right? 2 multiply 1 is 2 is equals to 5. A is equals to 5 minus 2 is equals to 3, right? And now determine the AB. We have to make a series. Now first term is 3 and distance is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 up to so on. So with this, your first exercise is complete. Try to solve all the question at home. Thank you and have a nice day.